Okay, now let's talk about Varun next. Now, Varun is someone who has a lot of experience, right? But the thing is now, we also don't want to do the very massy stuff out there. पर हमें उनकी जो इंटेलेक्चुअल नॉलेज है उस पर भी टैप इनटू करना है. तो हम दोनों साथ में कैसे करें एंड हाउ डू वी आल्सो मेक श्योर दैट दीज रील्स डू गो वायरल.
See, first of all, it's not just about intellect. A lot of people have intellect. It's about the experience he's lived. I've spoken this again and again to the team. I am the product of the ecosystem that he created. A lot of people do not know and understand 91 Springboard was a fucking revolution. I've done so many free invites. I can show you hundreds of pictures wherein I was able to build my first thing just because of the ecosystem built. अब इमेजिन करो उस एरा पे स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम जो आज दिखता है, जो आज हम शार्क टैंक इंडिया देखते हैं, इट वाज नॉट लाइक दिस 10-15 years ago when they started, when they grew. There were so many such people. Imagine from Vijay Shekhar Sharma to Cred to whatnot, they were in the building phase at that point of time. I'm dead sure, I don't know about the list of entrepreneurs, but I'm dead sure he's seen a lot of journeys so upfront, so personal, so many things he know about those businesses that no one else knows. What did the early days, the OG days looked like? So there would be so many such stories that first we can rely on. That's one. Second thing, I think it's his current arc wherein startup is all about hustle from at one end. When you listen folks like Narayan Murthy and everyone speak about that, how you should work 60, 80, 100 hours a week. That how it's about 16 hours, how about it's a toxic hustle culture in a way. Varun can be an ideal person to tap into it and break that.
Fair enough. You also mentioned about the Delhi startup ecosystem, like he has seen it all. So that can also be covered, right?
That's what I'm saying, that he can speak about those stories. He's literally seen something get built. He's literally been a contributor to that. There are so many things. Everyone can speak about startup gyan. Everyone can speak about mental health and well-being and whatnot. How many of them would have seen that world go ground up from zero? That's the real game. And that's something we're not captivating on. With the questions we're asking are hollow, because that's an advice anyone can give. And we also need to understand the questions need to be very easy. See, questions need not to be complicated for an intellectual person. The question has to be easy so that they can give pinpointed advice with their relevant experience and stories in between. And as I was saying, toxic culture ko, Asi culture ko, jo counteract karna hai, he's perfectly placed because what he's building is a true eco ashram. He's telling people that okay, you can sustainable, like you can make money while doing sustainable good, while doing sustainable development. And that counteract altogether of meditations and all these five principles and whatnot has to be packaged in a way wherein people understand. If you imagine, if you can speak about the story that I met Vijay on one of the early days, and of course there was something big that happened with Paytm and whatnot, and he didn't know what to do. And one thing I saw him do is he took 10 minutes and he just went to a room and meditated. And that's he came back with a fresh mindset and solved the problem. Imagine the depth and imagine how much people would love to see this, because he would have those stories that no one else would have. So it's not just a ज्ञान कि आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए और इंसान कह रहा है आप हो कौन. अब इंसान कह रहा है ओह इसको तो ऐसी बातें बता जो पता नहीं है. So this guy is a big contributor to society. I cannot see that on his page right now, and that's a problem.
Noted. You also talked about a concept called guardrailing, right? So
Of
basically,
course,
right.
he is okay. When I say a word like moat, who hears it? Startup founders, the world, the startup fraternity. CAC, LTV, MRR, ARR. All these words have to be spoken out so that the rest of the world does not listen to this. We need to ensure people who have an intention of startup are the only one. If you do not limit ourselves to a specific lane, we're too generic, and no one wants to listen to a generic person. I want to feel who I am listening to is specifically built for me. He does not cater to everyone. When I go to my friends and they're like, I listen to Varun, you should be like, who is Varun? And that feeling, you don't know Varun, why the fuck? You know, this guy, this who built this. तुम तो बकवास कंटेंट सुनते हो ना, तुम क्यों सुनोगे वरुण? That kind of a feeling. When I say, have you heard Lenny Richards? When I say, have you heard Chamath Palipatya? तो इंसान सुन के कहता है मैंने तो नहीं सुना है. And I take that pride. Of course, you listen to stupid shit इसलिए नहीं सुना है. वो brand communicate होना है यार वरुण से. The kind of brand we can build there is so much fucking amazing.
Let's go.
Let's go.